Hello everybody. Today is April the 1st, 2020. It is a brand new month. If we were at school, we would change our calendar and we'd get a new calendar paper in our notebook, and we would have got to actually seen our bar graphs on all the different weather days. Oh well. Well, I have a special announcement today. I would like for you all to take a free day off work and eat candy and watch TV all day long, okay? That's your only assignment, is to eat candy and to watch TV. Isn't that right, Jasper?
Yep.
Oops, sorry, I covered him up. Is that right?
Yep.
Yep. Wait a second. Did I just tell you guys the date, right? What was the date again? April 1st, 2020. Do you know what April 1st is? April Fool's Day. That's an April Fool. Do not eat candy and do not watch TV all day. Ha ha ha. I got you all for April Fools. Now, if we were in class together, I would have even better April Fool's joke that I got my last class with last year. And maybe the year before that. I can't remember if I did. But it's a good one, a really good one. So, but that was my April Fools for you all today. I hope you guys get to fool somebody. All right, let's give shout outs to my IXL team. In the past, we started it last week, so 2 weeks, a week and a half is all that we've worked on it. You guys have answered 4,783 questions. Wow. We'd like to welcome Evan to our IXL team. He started off and he answered 205 questions in his first bout with it. That is amazing. So we have Evan, Liam, Emma, Xander, Nick, Jax, Sully, Landry, Spencer, Jacqueline, and Kinsley have all been on it this week. No, I'm only talking about this week. And yesterday my leader was Jacqueline. Well, Nick has surpassed you. So Nick is my leader with the most questions answered this week. So, guys, get on there, get in some good practice. I made my own kids. They have to get on there daily. Even though their teacher didn't assign it, they have to get on there and work on multiplication and stuff like that. And so I'm like, get on that IXL, do a couple IXLs, and then you can do whatever they ask me to do. So it's kind of like a reward program I have going on. All right. Let's do some, I say the sounds, you tell me the words, okay? In, thin, thorn, thorn, three, those, ick, thick. Now, think about all these words that we just blended, okay? What was the beginning sound of all of those words? They have one thing in common, and it's the beginning sound. Let me say them again. Th, in, th, orn, th, e, th, o's, th, ick. What is that beginning sound? Is it just a normal, just regular one letter, or is it two letters that have came together to make one sound? You're right, it's two letters that have come together to make one sound. What are those two letters that when they get together, they go Does anybody remember? It's the TH. Let me remind you of the TH secret. Do you see it? Those two naughty little people right there. Not people, two naughty letters. Let's listen. These two should never be together. Ever. Ever. I would definitely move them to different tables. And yet, you pick up any book and turn to any page, and guess who you see side by side? And almost on every page. I'm serious. That's right, it's this T and H. And whenever they're together in words, they will always stick their tongues out and act silly and go. So test that out. Go into your bookshelf, pick pick up any book, turn to almost any page, and see if you see the T and H side by side acting silly. Crazy letters. I'd set them at separate tables if they were in my class. But then, you know, we wouldn't have words like the and this and that and with and there. I guess we kind of miss those words. So maybe if they're together sometimes. Okay. All right. Get out your sounding, your hand, fists up. Are you ready? You're going to tell me, I'm going to say the word, you're going to tell me the sounds in these words. Tell me the sounds in the word beg. B-e-g. Beg. What's the vowel? What letter says E? Ready? Tell me the sounds in this word. Lead. O-e-d. What's the word? Lead. What's the vowel? What letter says that? E. Tell me the sounds in pet. P-et. Pet. What's the vowel sound? What's the letter? E. Good job. Now I have a little test for you. I want you to think of a word with the same vowel sound as pet. Remember, you told me pet's vowel sound is p-et. Can you think of a word with the exact same vowel sound as pet? A word with the middle sound, the vowel being the being an E. Once you have it, I want you to shout it. Okay? Pet. Wet. Those even rhyme. What about pet? Ooh, we did one earlier. Beg. Ba-egg. What-et. They don't rhyme, but all I need them to have is the same middle sound. Okay, let's try another one. D-ig. Fists up. Tell me the sounds in dig. D-ig. Dig. Middle vowel sound? I. That is the letter I. So I. Another word with I as its middle sound. D-ig. It's always easy to think of rhyming words. D-ig. I want you to whisper this one. D-ig. Pig. D-ig. Pig. Does that work? Okay, good. What about, here's one that doesn't rhyme but still has the I that I just thought of. Zip. 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 Alrighty. Very good. Now, let me see what our assignments are today. Practice writing your November sight words. So you're going to grab your sight word sheet. You're going to take these November ones and you're going to write them in your notebook and then read them to at least 3 people. Now, if you have the advanced sight words sheet, that means you've already passed all these before we were out of school and I gave you the sheet that goes above and beyond. Do a set of words off of that sheet, okay? But if not, go back to November. Boys and girls, I want everybody to practice reading all these words all the way through March as many times as you can, okay? But let's focus on November today. All right. Think about it. This is what we do in school. Think about it. Word. Many. Spell many. M-A-N-Y. Say many. Do you see that Y as the E? E's Cape. Okay. M does a pretty good job. A does not. Think about it. Word. Where. Spell where. W-H-E-R-E. Say where. Where. Sorry, I'm not saying the last part, but I figure you are at home. Think about it. Word. Bee. Spell bee. B-E. Say bee. Bee. Look, there's a vowel at the end. There's no consonant there, so it's not a CVC word. So usually when it's like that, the vowel says its name. Let's see if it works. B-E. It does. Think about it. Word. Wheel. Spell wheel. W-I-L-L. Say wheel. Good job. Think about it. Word. On. Spell on. O-N. Say on. This one, everything works. Think about it. Word. But. Spell but. B-U-T. Say but. Think about it. I see Mama E reaching over that consonant. Say your name. Word. Came. Spell came. C-A-M-E. Say came. Word. From. Spell from. F-R-O-M. Say from. There's our little sneaky letters. Word. This. Spell this. T-H-I-S. Say this. Word. Find. Spell find. F-I-N-D. Say find. Good job. Now your assignment is write those words down, and then here's the challenge part. See if you can use 3 of those words in the exact same sentence, okay, in one sentence. See if you can make 3 of those go together to make sense in a sentence. Now you can add other little words, okay, but see if you can get 3 of them in the same sentence so it makes sense. If you do, take a picture and send it to me. I definitely want to see it and share it on my story. All right, your next job is to read a story on your own, or listen to one on MyOn, or you can use my breakfast read aloud, one of the 3 little pigs. And I want you to take a piece of paper, okay? And I want you to divide it into 3 parts. So first part, second part, third part. And I want you to draw a picture of what happened at the beginning of the story, what happened in the middle of the story, and what happened at the end of the story. Now, what you could do is you can fold your paper. Ignore that there's writing on this side. I didn't get a blank piece of paper. You can fold it like this. So you have 3 separate parts, beginning, middle, end. So you can think of one of the little pig stories that we did. What happened at the beginning of the book, what happened in the middle, and what happened at the end. Or you can pick one off MyOn, or a story that you love that you already have at your house. All right, then for math today, I want you to pause the video and go get 8 crackers. I'll wait. Okay, now that you have the 8 crackers, eat 4 of them. How many do you have left? There's one math problem. The next thing I want you to do is to review your teen numbers. For example, I want your parents or somebody in your house to play I am thinking of a number with you, and you have to say a clue. Like, I am thinking of the number that comes before 16. What number is it? 15. Yes, I'm thinking of a number that comes after 18. 19, and you could write your answers on your whiteboard, or your clue might say, I'm thinking of a number that has 1 group of 10 and 4 ones. What number is that? 1 group of 10 and 4 ones. 14. Good job. So play that, Mom and Dad, with them. You can play while you're cooking dinner, folding laundry. And finally, I want you to go on YouTube and search the story Diary of a Worm, okay? It's by Doreen Cornyn. I'm going to post a picture of my lesson plans so you can look up the spelling, but it's called Diary of a Worm. All right? I hope you guys have a wonderful April Fool's Day. I hope you trick somebody, and if you do, tell me, and I'll share it on our story. We love hearing from each other. Bye.